Hey guys, it's Don from City Warmth here in Brighton, and in today's quick video, we're going to be looking at the EPH Combi 4. This is a wireless programmable room thermostat that we think is great. Great functionality, great price point, and we install a lot of them. This video is an introductory video on how to use it on a daily basis. It won't cover all the functionality. We're going to cover how to do manual settings for up and down temperature. We're going to do programming for automatic times throughout the day and how to switch between the options for automatic or manual mode and how to boost the heating. For anything else, please check out our other videos that we're uploading on the EPH because there is tons that this thing can do. All right, let's get started. Now this thing comes with a couple of options for mounting. It either has a cradle which can be put on the back so you can place it on a coffee table, or it does have a wall mount so the thing can't go walkies. If you fold down the flap at the front, you will find all the buttons for operation. Now as this is an entry-level beginner video, we won't go through most of these. This video just covers the basics for daily use. Can you see the MAN on the display? That means the thermostat is in manual mode. The temperature on the front, the 16, is the room temperature at this point. That's what it thinks it is around it. Remember, this thing is the thermostat as well as the programmer. If I want the heating to go on, I need to choose a number greater than the 16 by pressing the plus on the right-hand side, hitting the big red OK to confirm my choice. Now the thermostat will ask the boiler to stay on until the room reaches the 21.5 that we just chose. Indicating there is a little flame on the right hand side showing you that it is calling for heat from the boiler. If we choose a number lower than the 16.1 on the display, big red OK to confirm our choice, the heating goes off and the flame symbol disappears. That should be helpful to letting you know whether or not you've got heating on and whether or not the boiler should be firing. That is in the manual mode, as I said. This thing also has an automatic mode. If we put it in automatic mode, it will run a pre-populated program that we have put in. How do we put in the program, I hear you ask? Great question. Thanks for being engaged in what we're doing here. By pressing the program button. On the left-hand side, we have 1 to 6. The most simple way is to think of this as 1 on, 2 off, 3 on, 4 off, 5 on, 6 off. So 3 time settings across the day if you like, but that isn't actually how it works. All of these are times with temperatures associated with them. So number 1 is flashing. We've already got number 1 flashing and we've got a time flashing. We want to choose the time we want the heating to come on as such. If we choose 6, OK to confirm, 18.5, 19.5. We want the heating to fire up at 6 o'clock in the morning, come to 19.5 degrees. Always OK to confirm the choice. The next one, this isn't an off time, this is a setback, let's call it. So let's say 8:30, we want the heating to be 17 degrees. It will ramp down from the 19.5 to the 17, but won't go off. If you are out during the middle of the day, choose a setback temperature you're happy with, that if the property does go below that point, the heating will come on. So I'm choosing 15 as a setback temperature. So if my property went below 15, the heating would fire up. Afternoon, I'm coming back home, let's say 4:30. I want it up to 20.5 degrees, maybe a bit hot for some people. The last one is most important. This is going to be your nighttime temperature. So let's say 10:30, I'm going to drop it to 11 degrees. So if at 2 AM my property did go below 11 degrees, the heating would fire up. So make sure number 6, you've chosen a setback temperature you're happy is low enough. So if the boiler did fire up, you wouldn't be bothered. Some people choose this as like 16 degrees and wonder why the heating's coming on at the middle of the night. That would be why. Right, so having put a program in, we press automatic. There we go, make sure you've got it on the auto, and it will run the program that we have just put in. If at any point in time you're on automatic and you want to boost the heating, you have 2 options. One is toggle to manual, and just override it and do what you want. But remember, if you want to go back to the program at any point, you have to press auto to take it back. The other option is the boost button we have here on the right hand side. If you want to boost the heating, you can press the boost and it will boost for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, cancel the boost. So let's say I want to boost it for 1 hour, press the boost. Yes, I want to boost it for 1 hour, okay. Choose the temperature I want, okay. It will run the heating to 22.5 for up to 1 hour and then revert back to the program. If you want to cancel the boost at any point, press the boost again and it cancels. So boost for 1 hour, boost for 2 hours, choose 2 hours, okay, choose your temperature, want to cancel the boost, hit boost, goes back to the program. You can do this for up to 3 hours in the automatic setting. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the end of our introductory video on how to use the EPH Combi 4, but there is so much more this thing can do, so don't forget to check out the other videos below on the other functionality that it can provide. As always, look forward to seeing you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.